Miami Proud is presented by FPL, working for you every single day. Learn more at fpl.com/value.
In today's all-new Miami Proud, as hurricane season moves along, there's one South Florida teen who's helping other students prepare for the next big storm.
Yeah, through her Girl Scout Gold Award project, she's already reached hundreds of students. CBS News Miami's Naja Sherman introduces us to the creator of Storm Smart.
Hurricanes are a fact of life in South Florida, but 16-year-old Elise Raurell realized many students weren't learning how to prepare. So, through her 2025 Girl Scout Gold Award project, she created Storm Smart, a peer-to-peer program that teaches hurricane preparedness and safety.
Growing up in South Florida, going to public school, I realized that we weren't really learning anything about hurricane preparation and safety, even though it's super important.
Storm Smart uses classroom presentations, printed materials, social media, and online resources to teach everything from building a hurricane kit to staying safe after a storm. The program also includes YouTube, Instagram, and resources at stormsmart.info.
Module 3 covers the details of during and after the storm, which might be the most important part. How to stay safe when the hurricane's actually happening and after it occurs.
The presentations are led by students, giving classmates the opportunity to learn from their peers while building leadership skills. So far, Storm Smart has reached nearly 500 students and is expanding to more schools.
One of the most rewarding parts of this program is seeing students learn the material and then go on to teach their peers about it, and through that learn leadership and teaching skills.
For Elise, the inspiration came from her own experience during Hurricane Irma.
I was really scared about the destruction of my street and the trees that had fallen down. I want to make sure that every student is prepared for that and they know what to expect.
Her mother says she is proud of what her daughter has accomplished.
Just impressed with her ability to come up with a project and work on it in such a self-sufficient and independent way.
Elise hopes to continue expanding Storm Smart to more schools across South Florida, helping the next generation get ready before the next hurricane threatens. Naja Sherman, CBS News, Miami.